Our motoring tip of the week concerns cabin air filters. Now, depending on the make, model, and year of your vehicle, you may or may not have a cabin air filter installed in your vehicle. But as vehicle designs evolve, more and more vehicles, the engineers are placing this filter in because it filters all the air entering your vehicle. So it keeps dust, dirt, pollen, and all kinds of debris from entering the vehicle. You've got a cleaner vehicle interior, and you've got cleaner air to breathe in the vehicle. But if and when this filter becomes clogged or restricted, and this particular one out of a Windstar was pretty much completely clogged, you can see all the debris in it. Once this is restricted, you don't get full cooling or full heating because all the air entering the vehicle has to pass through this. If it's restricted, you're not getting good performance out of your heater and air conditioner. Now, it's a fairly inexpensive filter, and on many cars, it's actually pretty simple to change. So if you're moderately talented on working on a piece of machinery, you can probably change this filter yourself, and you go to your owner's manual. In many cases, there's a pretty good description of how to do it. On this Yukon, there's actually two cabin air filters stacked one in front of each other right under here. We had to change them a year or so ago. They were quite restricted or plugged. Many vehicles, they're out under the hood at the base of the windshield in the wiper cowl area, usually a plastic trim panel you remove and fairly easy to access. If your vehicle has one and it's due to be changed, you'll get better performance by replacing the cabin air filter. That's your motoring tip of the week.
When motoring launched in 1988, it was only found on TV, not anymore. We have a robust website with the best auto journalists in the country. Our Facebook, where the only topic of conversation is cars, and where it's easy to win cool swag. YouTube, which boasts 30 years of archives at your fingertips, including complete episodes. Cool shirts, right? For the first time ever, we're selling them. Google Motoring TV Shop to get yours today.